1, 2, 3. Hey, is that Lukat Fix It?
Oh yeah, look at what you can do with this. It's not a wax. Here's an oxidized paint job. We just did a spot right here. Look how beautiful that came out. I'm gonna put some right here. You don't use this like wax, guys, no circles. What you do with this instead is you clean. This is a paint cleaning polish. It's designed for cleaning the paint and removing the buildup, the contamination and oxidation. There's zero wax in here. This is pure cleaner. Look at what's happening. Look how much color and shine is still on here. Look, that's a beautiful rich color. This is an old base coat metallic. It's not a clear coat, but it works the same on oxidized hazy clear coats. You just clean this baby back to its original state. Look at that. Okay, now if you see paint coming up, it's perfectly fine. You're removing the contamination. This is the original state of the paint job. This paint it's shiny because it's hard. Listen to this. You don't hear nothing because this is smooth and shiny. This is dirty and contaminated. Listen. Okay, so you use this to remove the buildup. That's the original state. It's also squeaky clean. That's because there's no wax in this product. This is designed for cleaning, not masking. You use this to fix the paint. Now, it's a two-step process. First, clean it. The next step, you want to seal it. This is called a sealer wax. It's called the Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. This stuff is amazing. Use a separate towel because the cleaner breaks down the wax. So when you put the wax on, it's this wax, this process is a way to bring back the paint so you can detail. I'll explain in just a moment. When you put this on, work it well into the paint, let it dry. For best results, let this dry for about 10-20 minutes. It cures, it hardens, it fills in the paint, and it seals it up, protects it. You only have to use this once a year. If you want to go 2-3 times a year, you can do that as well. But you don't need the cleaner no more because you cleaned it. Now, that's set enough to shine. Look at that beautiful uniform shine. Can you see that? They do like a close-up so they can kind of see the sparkles and stuff. Can you see the clouds? Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but I mean, this stuff is amazing because look how much color and shine is still there. Now pan back so they can see the entire hood panel. Okay, so if you look at this entire hood panel looks like this. The fenders look like this. All you have to do is clean them. Now, you don't do this once a month, once a year. This is permanent. This is the original state, the remaining paint. This is gonna take another 10, 15, 20 years to get like this. And if you stay on top of it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. But this paint is beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous, gorgeous paint. All right, guys. So order your bottles today at lukatdetail.com. You'll see the website somewhere on the video. If you want to talk to us, there's a phone number. You can call us. If you guys text us, we answer the text messages a lot quicker. It's fantastic. Oh, you know what? We might as well show them what it does, the headlight lenses too. Now, the same cleaner that I used on the paint, you can use on the headlight lenses. So it's not, remember, this is not wax, it's cleaner. So I'm gonna put this on right here, okay? I'm just gonna go back and forth and clean that. Okay, the idea here is remove the contaminants on the surface, okay? Same thing with plastic headlight lenses, they get oxidized. You wanna clean them. If you put the polypropylene resin on top, which is very popular stuff, they'll turn yellow and crack. You see the difference? Mm-hmm. Okay, and this too is squeaky clean. Okay, now if you want to use the sealer wax on there, you can. It's not necessary, but you can. The cleaner removes the buildup, the contamination. This is what you end up using. The more oxidation you have, the more cleaner you end up using. Can you see the reflection on that? Can you get the sparkles on that? Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, and again, that's permanent. I won't wash off because we cleaned it. That shine's already there. It's just buried there. Okay, guys, check us out at lukatdetail.com. Order your bottles today. Got questions? Give us a call and join us in our epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later.